This is the secret to the best chocolate cake. In a container, start by adding 2 eggs, 1 cup sugar, and mix everything well. Then add half cup of oil and stir again. Now add 1 pinch of salt, 1 cup of milk, 1 cup of powdered chocolate, and stir again. Add 2 cups of all-purpose flour, and then 1 teaspoon of yeast. Now stir slowly, just to incorporate the yeast into the dough, and you're perfect. Now just take it and put in all the greased baking with butter and flour. Once this is done, just take it to the oven for 35 minutes at 200 degrees. Meanwhile, in a container, add 2 tablespoons of powdered chocolate, 200 ml of milk, and mix gently. With the cake ready, just pour everything over it and let the cake absorb this liquid for 20 minutes. After this time, just turn this cake on a plate and look how amazing it is. And to make it better, I'm going to add some chocolate. Here I made a ganache with 150 grams of chocolate and half box of cream, but the frosting is your preference. Look how beautiful it looks. It makes your mouth water and you can't resist. Do it at your house, that I'm sure everyone will love. I hope you enjoyed. This was another little recipe from the Pooh in the Kitchen. That strong hug, until the next time, and thanks for watching.